So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Aman Sheikh. This is Trade Engineering, an engineer who trades, and today I am going to show you. I am going to review my trades of Friday. Today is Saturday. So I'm sorry that this video didn't come on Friday and Saturday, and it came on Saturday. Also, the watchlist video will be for Monday. Will be there on Sunday, which is tomorrow. So I'll be talking about my trades which I took on which I entered with on Friday. Also, I'll be talking about the watch list which I made and what was the price reaction on it and how was the analysis and overall thing. So talking about my first, I took three trades, one in Techem, one in Kotak Mahindra Bank, and another in third one in Tata Steel. The first trade was in TechM. Uh, as you can see, this is a 3 minute time frame and this is the 21st day, 21st August. इधर से आगे तक मतलब this is the day of Friday, and as you can see it was the first opening candle and I entered here because there was a surge in there was a boost in volume. Average से ज़्यादा volume था. This is the line from which I have plotted the average volume. Average से ज़्यादा volume था, that's why I entered. This was my target according to my analysis of uh, which I made on Friday. But एक चीज़ है कि if your target one thing is that कि traders should implement is that even if their target doesn't get hit, they shouldn't wait for the targets to get hit. मतलब I'll just tell it in a more simpler way. ट्रेडर्स को ऐसा माइंडसेट लेके नहीं चलना चाहिए कि अगर ये टारगेट हिट हुआ तो ही मैं एग्जिट मारूंगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इधर तक तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव इट हैज़ हैपेंड विद मी कपल ऑफ टाइम्स दैट कुछ तो थोड़े पॉइंट से मेरा टारगेट रहना मिस हो जाता है एंड वो यहाँ तक आके अब यही एग्जांपल ले लो यहाँ तक आके वो फिर से टैंक हो जाता है और फिर से शायद से कभी उधर आता नहीं और अगर आया तो उसके पहले ही हमारा यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ तो होता है इसलिए we shouldn't be close minded or like ऐसा कि we shouldn't have this mentality कि सिर्फ टारगेट हिट हुआ तो ही मैं एग्जिट करूँगा क्योंकि बहुत सारे टाइम पे इधर कोई ऐसी लेवल रहती है अगर मैं पीछे जाऊँगा तो ऐसी कोई लेवल रहेगी जहाँ पे यहाँ पे वो क्लोज या ओपन हुआ रहेगा जिसकी वजह से प्राइस ओनली वेंट टिल हियर एंड इट गॉट रेजिस्टर्ड over here and didn't pass this level. So I saw कि ये इस लेवल पे रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है and I was okay to book profit at 736. So this was a 4 rupee, like I caught 4 points in this trade and I entered kitna quantity, only 5 quantities. As I told you that I am position sizing max right now and to the maximum level, and I'm trading on a very small capital, that's why. And I am focusing on the percentage, which is the quality of trade and not money. And this is how every trader who starts initially should have a mindset like according to me. अभी तक मेरे नॉलेज के हिसाब से ये होना चाहिए. ये अगर होता है तो अच्छी बात है. गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. हाँ तो सॉरी, ये अपना ब्लू लेवल थी. इफ़ यू हैव सीन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वेयर जिसमें वॉच लिस्ट में टेकएम था, ब्लू लेवल पे वी हैव टू रिएक्ट. आई डिड रिएक्ट, इट क्रॉस द ब्लू लेवल एंड देन आई बुक माई प्रॉफिट्स हियर. एंड इफ यू सी द होल डे चार्ट तो उसके बाद वो ये लेवल पे एक ही बार आया बट इट डिडंट क्रॉस दिस लेवल and yeah, it was consolidating in this range only. So and it even opened here, so like हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसमें. Also मैं शॉर्ट करने की लेवल was here, so it didn't reach. So हमारा कुछ ये नहीं, रिलेशन नहीं आया उससे अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बिकॉज मेरा एनालिसिस था. कोटक बैंक का देखते हैं. According to me, I had said that if it crosses this level, I'll react to it and I may go long. So I did that. I did go long on this candle. So I saw that either it has crossed with a huge volume, like above average volume. So I entered over here thinking that it will go and this is the rejection ऐसा सोच के, but it didn't happen like that. The odds weren't in my favor. So I got stopped out and it was a loss of 4 rupees. मेरा target यहाँ पे ऊपर था. It was a good risk to reward ratio, but yeah, no, nothing is confirmed in the stock market, and losses are a part of a game. So accepting that, I took my SL, and like, yeah, I don't regret over it. Coming to the Tata Steel trade, which is the third trade of the day, Tata Steel, and this is how I ended. So just a second. Hmm. As you can see, यहाँ पे it was consolidating. If you see this trend line, this is the day. This is the day start. This is the 3 minute time frame for your kind information. If you plot a trend line uh, to the price action, to the candles of that day, we can see that this is the base. Like, this is the base, and it is kind of forming a descending triangle. And if you could see that it gapped up over here, it closed on uh, 20 20th, and then it gapped up. So, and as the price didn't continue moving up, and this was an exhaustion gap, I knew that it is going to, somewhere it is going to refill the gap or fill the gap. So I was thinking to enter here, but as I was too much sure about the trade, I entered before the break at this candle, and then eventually it did break, and my first target was here. And as I wanted to, as I had some work, so I exited here, or else I would have kept to the trade, like I would have continued the trade. But if you see, and here, just a second, I exited, just a second. And as you can see, it tanked a lot, and it didn't even उसने सिर्फ gap ही refill नहीं किया, but it went too much down. So yeah, I only caught a short part of the sell rally. So yeah, and where I exited was, just a second, which candle I exited was कितना है? 13.4. Just a second. Yeah, this is the candle that I exited on. So this was my trade. These three were my trade. Tata Steel wasn't in my watch list. I saw this on the market time, and then I traded on it. Talking about Oro Pharma, we had this level, which was the base level. ये level नीचे की थी, that if it crosses this, we can go short. But obviously वो नहीं हुआ. Sorry, it did short. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार? I think I'm in sleep. So it did cross this level, and this was our first mini target, which is plotted by us in a white dotted line. So yeah, it closed, like it got rejected a little above it, but I didn't trade this since this I wasn't so sure, so I didn't trade it. And in all this, major thing happened in only in one candle. So yeah, this wasn't the trade I was comfortable to take, so I didn't take it. But yeah, it kinda reached where we wanted it to. You're talking about Indus India Bank. These were the levels. It did open here. It tried to cross here, but as you can see, there is huge rejection, which refrained me from entering the trade. So I didn't enter. And if you could have seen here, and so yeah, so I didn't go long. It didn't even cross this, so I didn't short. I'm talking about the trades in between, which I usually don't take. Whatever is pre-decided, मैं उसके हिसाब से ही जाता हूँ 99% ऑफ द टाइम, जिसको उससे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करता हूँ जब तक कोई अच्छी चीज़ अच्छा, आई डोंट सी अ मोमेंट प्राइस एक्शन ओवर देयर इन एनीवेयर. सो इधर कंसोलिडेट होने के बाद ये टैंक, if we could have entered here, then it would have been a good trade. Just saying, I analyze this now only, I didn't have it decided earlier. Talking about Sipla का भी same scene, it was in this area, so trade लेने का, to take the trade उसका कुछ सवाल आया नहीं. So yeah, this was my trade for today. Today नहीं, Friday. As I told you, I think I need sleep. I'm sleep deprived right now. So this is my trade book. I made a profit of like 72 rupees on an investment of I don't currently know. I'll have to calculate. It was a good day according to me. And yeah, as my trading capital is too small, that profit was like I was happy with it. And profits के लिए तो currently मैं देख ही नहीं रहा हूँ, because when I was looking for it, I gave up on my trading account. Like I blew the account. That's why. So this was the video. I hope you like it. जो कुछ भी constructive comments रहेंगे, please share it to me. We would work on it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.